It's dark outside, and I'm outside of Robertsfors. The plan is to get some tiny timber, mini timber, klen timber, and go with that to Pite, Lövholmen, and after that I'm gonna leave the truck with the crane at a place called Lefab. And anyhow, I'm gonna show you how messy it is right now after all the snow has started to melt. So I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head. Yeah. First thing we gotta do is gotta lift the bogey on this tandem Volvo. That's a nice thing. And put some lights on. And we shall see how this is. It's really important to have this anti spin. You don't want that, because if it's a green light, then it just kills the engine, which is not what we want. Like a Mudfest. It's always good to have some speed when you try and climb hills like these when it's muddy. Oops! Can't be too careful, because then you get stuck. Ooh! Yeah, here we have the tiny timber. We made it. All we gotta do now is turn around. This place is a little half tight, not really, but you can't just go around in one, because you wind up in the woods. So then you gotta do a dolly snow thingy. that I have demonstrated in a previous video. Intersection turnaround. It's important that we don't hit the skogskoja. And we gotta lift the axles on the trailer like so. This should be fine. Beautiful. Look how nice it behaves. My beautiful trailer. Yep. I'm gonna go out and put the clean timber on. And I'm gonna save some battery because you guys have seen me load clean timber, tiny timber before. So I'll see you later after that's done. Yeah, I had to charge my camera because I've lost my spare battery. So but at least you have, I get to show you part of the loading process. My goodness, it's muddy. Mud fest. Yeah. It's crazy how heavy the tiny timber is. Ooh. There's a lot of room, space left on the trailer, but what do you do when the trees are heavy? But look how nice they have stacked the timber. Shout out to Sundlings forestry machining, killing, harvesting team. Excellent job. It's nice to load when it's even like this. Goes fast. You don't have to mess with any unnecessary crap. All you gotta do is put down the grip, the something claw, the gripe. No, yeah, whatever. You get the picture. Except that maybe that's my fault. Sometimes Mr. Lumberjack gets a little carried away. Oh my goodness. And why did I do that, you might wonder? Well, I want my trave to lean the right way. That's nice, especially when you're driving like from when you have a downhill. You don't want the timber to wind up in the crane. That's not good. So every now and then I do that to get it straight. I don't want it to lean too much. That's why. When I started, someone said that it takes 5 years to be a good crane loader operator, and I don't know about that. Maybe that's true. I wouldn't know because I'm not that good. I'm just average, maybe. The most important thing is that you don't break anything, and that you make sure to have a nice even load of timber or birch when you leave the woods, when you leave the forest, because you don't want to dräll virke efter det. You don't want to drop stuff on the road. We're gonna drive out of this mess. This lervälling. went well, so let's head for Lövholmen, Piteå. Made it to Piteå, and now we are standing outside of Lefab. This is the go-to place if you have problems with your crane or trailer, and tomorrow they're gonna change this thing out, the VIP on the crane. So it's been messing with us since day one. It's been trying to detach from the boom, because if you got a tap here that's we have welded onto the VIP, because this thing is trying to get out all the time. So something is wrong with the VIP, this thing. So we're gonna get a new one tomorrow. That shall be nice. So all I need to do now is close the truck and lock it up and go to my colleague Kim, who's waiting over there. Kim Salabim. He has left his truck at Volvo in Skellefteå, and he has bought some food for us to eat. Cheeseburgers. Yeah. This is how we do it at Åströms. We take care of each other. So this was everything that we had to show you in this week's episode of. Yeah. See you next time. Bye.